Hi, do you know that using hibiscus flower can actually darken your hair? So I've watched lots of videos that if you use hibiscus flower, that is zobo leaf that we call in Nigeria, it will darken your white hair. So I'm going to really to darken the white hair. So I have, so you can see this here. You can see, so I have some white hair here. So I've been using chemical based product and all that, but it will darken with time, it will come back, and it's actually cutting off my hair, okay, because of excess of chemical products that I'm using as my hair dye. So here, these hibiscus flower zobo leaf, very good in darkening white hair. It will darken the white hair, okay, and this is natural product. And also people actually say that it grows the hair as well. So it has lots of benefit aside from the fact that it will darken your hair. It also helps to grow your hair. So I'm going to be trying this on. Okay, so I will boil it and I will extract the water. So when you are boiling it, they say make sure that it's thick. The water is not watering like the zobo that you drink. Okay, so I'm going to be boiling this. After I finish boiling, I will show you the texture and the consistency. So if at all you are going to be trying it on your white hair, you know the quantity of the water to add. Okay, so let me go and boil this. I'll come back. And so after I finish boiling it, see the quantity that I boiled, and it's just little that is inside. So you can see how little it is inside. Okay, and it's very thick. The fact is that it's very thick. You can't even drink it this way because it's very thick. Because I want a perfect result. That is why I decided to make it thick like this. So I'm going to be extracting this into a container before I start using it on my hair. Here I have extracted the water. So see how thick it is and dark inside, okay? Just like hair color. So I'm just going to be, okay. So I will massage it on my hair. You not rinse it off. Not rinse it off. Just pour on your hair. So it will just look like red color. With time, that red color turns black. So that's how it works. So you can see here it looks like red color already. So see it in my hand. With time, this one on my hand here, this one on my hand here will turn dark. So the same way it's going to work on your hair. Okay, so that's how I'm going to be doing it. I'm not washing it off. I'll leave it that way. So with time, it will turn dark. Okay, so if this is natural product, so you can see it's actually turning dark right now. This is natural product which you can actually try. There's something else that's for the white hair, which I'm going to be showing you. So if you don't have access to hibiscus flower, go ahead and make use of this leaf. This is called miracle leaf. I've talked about this miracle leaf severally. This leaf, so you can Google it and search for the benefit of miracle leaf on the hair. It darkens white hair, turns white hair to dark hair as well. Okay, so what you need to do, if you have blender, just add a little bit of water and blend it. Extract the juice as much as you can, then so use it to apply on your hair the way I did with the hibiscus with the zobo leaf. Okay, and leave it on your hair. Say it turns white hair to dark hair, and it also helps in promoting the hair growth. Okay, if you have scanty hair, to help you to make the hair to grow. So if you don't have blender, just remove some like this from the stick and then squeeze the water out, pour it on your hair, leave it, don't wash it. Okay, and it will turn the white hair to dark hair. So I'm going to try this one after I've used this one. Maybe for another time I'll try this one. Okay, with time I'll get rid of that white hair. So that's what I have for you today. Remember, good skin begins with good health. Do take care of yourself, do take care of your skin, do take care of your health, and see you in my next video.